So guys, after that yummy bhajis and coffee and all of it, we have come here to Habbiala Falls, which is nearby to Devaramane. So we got a local guide who actually is guiding us for the falls. It is a bit inside, so probably if you ask Devaramane canteen people, they will actually tell you the route exactly, or they'll send you a guide so that you can go without any complications. As you see, the route is actually a bit complicated. You'll have to walk in and then reach to the falls. So ask the Devaramane canteen people, they'll guide you, or ask the localites so that you can reach out to the falls. Guys, this is the falls. It's pretty good, and it's actually a kind of a private falls for us. There's no one here. Look at this. Look at the view. Look at the view here. So good. Look at the waters there. Too good a serene place. So guys, I'm in the center, and then you can see the waterfall over there. Off-roading in Hyundai Creta. So guys, we came to Habbiala Falls. After a dip in the water, we have come here to Kogilu Tea Point. So the Kogilu Tea Point is very nearby, and you can actually come here and have some hot tea and hot food as well. So I showed you the Devaramane canteen, and if you come to the falls, you have the Kogilu Tea Point. So come here, you get some good yummy food and tea as well. Found this bridge while we were on our way to Shimoga. So this is Sharavati river, and yeah, look at the wide landscapes. So yesterday we finished Devaramane, and today we are here in Sagara in Shimoga. So there's a place called the Green Embassy. So it's a very nice hotel, and the stay as well was very good. So I recommend you guys to actually come here, stay if you are coming to Shimoga to witness Jog or any other such falls. So Sagara Green Embassy is a very good place, and they also have complimentary breakfast for the package they provide. So do come to Green Embassy, and yeah, the rooms are pretty good. So guys, we are entering Jog Falls. It's been quite some time since I've visited the falls. Let's see, let's explore Jog. So here we are in Jog Falls, and the parking entry for the car is 50 rupees, and they charge 10 rupees per head per individual. So it is 70 rupees for us because we are in two numbers, and yeah, the car parking is 50 rupees. So guys, it is completely fogged up here in Jog. Look at that, look at that. Literally the falls is not visible at all. So we are actually getting to see the waterfalls now. You can have a closer look over there. So the extreme right part, there is a view of the waterfalls. It's a bit clear now. So we are expecting it to be clear by probably another half an hour so that we can leave and explore other places as well. Look at that view. So it is all rains here in Jog Falls, but we got to see the view partially, and there's a hotel as well here. So the hotel name is Mayura Gerusoppa restaurant. So you get all breakfast and lunch served here, and I think it is pretty decent. So we have not yet eaten, but then just wanted to give information for you guys that there is a hotel available and it is pretty decent as well. This is Hotel Mayura for you. We are here after breakfast, and it's a better view out there. So you guys get the space to be seated as well here. Nice infrastructure. The government has well maintained the place. It's pretty good. Comparatively from the previous time I had visited. I had visited long back, and then now I see a lot of differences in the infrastructure as well. So they've made it a accommodative tourist spot, but then it's also commercialized. As I told you, the government has maintained the place well. The tourists as well, it is our responsibility to actually maintain the place well and keep the surroundings clean. So if you guys visit the place, keep the surroundings clean and maintain it so that the place remains the same. So guys, just another view of the place. You can't actually capture much since it is raining a lot, but I think you guys can partially see the waterfall here. Just wanted to show you all another view of it. Unfortunately, we couldn't view the clear view because it is fogged up everywhere.